Sony A7V. For months, creators, professionals, and tech enthusiasts have been speculating about what the company has been secretly developing. Now, with leaks, certifications, and inside reports swirling around, anticipation is building for what could easily become one of the most impactful full-frame mirrorless releases of the decade. The A7V is expected to represent not just a simple update to its predecessor, but a revolutionary step forward in how creators capture and create visual content. Sony's Alpha series has long stood as a benchmark for versatility, blending pro-level performance with manageable size and price. The A7V is rumored to embody that same DNA while introducing an entirely new level of capability. This is a camera that's designed for the hybrid generation, people who switch seamlessly between photography and videography. With creators increasingly seeking one device that can do it all, Sony seems ready to deliver the ultimate tool for both stills and motion. Unlike the incremental upgrades of the past, the A7V appears to be engineered as a complete reimagination of what a mirrorless camera can achieve. Its rumored enhancements include a new sensor design, improved AI-based autofocus, dramatically faster burst speeds, higher frame rate video recording, enhanced connectivity, and refined ergonomics, all of which suggests Sony is taking aim at redefining the professional hybrid market once again. Early information hints that Sony is refining the body design of the A7V for better handling, comfort, and durability. A magnesium alloy chassis is likely to ensure strength without excessive weight, while reinforced weather sealing will make it more resistant to dust, moisture, and temperature changes, crucial for creators working in unpredictable environments. Sony is also rumored to have taken inspiration from its flagship models like the A1 and A7V when designing the body layout. Expect a deeper grip for comfort during long shoots, repositioned custom buttons, and a more intuitive menu system to enhance the shooting experience. The rear LCD screen could be a 3.2-inch fully articulating touchscreen, perfect for vloggers, YouTubers, and those shooting vertical video. Meanwhile, the electronic viewfinder may feature a massive resolution bump, likely around 5.76 million dots, providing crystal clarity and a smoother, more immersive viewing experience. From the outside, the A7V might look familiar, but internally, it's expected to be a technological powerhouse that balances rugged reliability with next-gen intelligence. The heart of any camera is its sensor, and that's where Sony is expected to make one of the biggest leaps. According to industry whispers, the A7V could feature an all-new 44-megapixel full-frame sensor, a major jump from the A7V's 33MP chip. This new sensor is rumored to utilize either a semi-stacked or fully stacked back-illuminated architecture, which would dramatically improve readout speeds, minimize rolling shutter distortion, and enhance low-light capabilities. If these rumors are accurate, users can expect